The Diamond Trust Bank is on the spot after Director of Public Prosecutions Noordin Haji accused the financial institution of aiding and abetting terrorism. Haji told Parliament's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee that the bank failed to flag curious financial transactions that could have been used to finance the Riverside attack. Activist Seth Olale has more on the DPP's revelations.
The Director of Public Prosecutions was appearing before the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee to make a routine case for more money for his department to the tune of 700 million shillings. But he threw the sessions into a spin with the startling revelations about financial transactions that may have been channeled to facilitate the 14th Riverside terrorist attack.
No, I think
the DPP says investigations show how suspected terrorists irregularly withdrew millions of shillings from the Diamond Trust Bank's Eastleigh branch. He illustrated how sums of money were moved to facilitate the attack.
Within a week, somebody is withdrawing 30 million. And within 2 minutes, you see somebody withdrawing 5 million from M-Pesa. This money was going to Jilib, which is the headquarters of Al-Shabaab, not just anywhere in Somalia. Just to clarify, so that people don't think we are penalizing this particular bank. We are not.
Hajji told the parliamentary committee that the bank has largely been involved in other criminal activities.
Diamond Trust Bank. We have cited them for several breaches of their obligations to report. From NYS cases to other organized crime cases, especially cybercrime. And they have become, I'm sorry to say this because you've asked, but in my opinion, they have become notorious in flouting those rules.
The DPP also claims the bank has not been cooperating with investigators looking into the Riverside attack.
And we've asked even for CCTV footages, which the bank has been reluctant to give us. And we are therefore concluding that there must be some form of aiding and abetting. What else would we charge them for?
The bank has been accused of trying to use other channels to cover up its alleged involvement in aiding terrorism.
They have been running the whole of this town to try and influence us not to charge them, which is unacceptable.
Diamond Trust Bank manager Sophia Njogu, who was arrested in connection with the attack, was released on a 2 million shillings cash bail. She was charged with aiding and abetting the 14th Riverside terror attack for not reporting suspicious money transactions amounting to over 30 million shillings, money that was allegedly used to fund the attack.
I cannot come up and say, I did not know that this was a terrorist. The question is, why did you have weak systems and mechanisms to be misused by criminals?
We are actually protecting them. We are actually protecting them and their customers by charging them on this so that they don't have an international backlash.
The DPP, who presented the 2019-2020 budget to the committee, asked for an additional 700 million shillings to enable the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to work more efficiently. A number of bank officials implicated in cybercrime and terrorism cases have been arrested and arraigned in court. The full hearing of those cases yet to commence. Seth Olale, NTV, Parliament Building.